Hello, I am Dr. Jaco Prinsloo. I'm a psychiatrist in private practice, and my consulting rooms and house is uh, built linking to one another on the same premises. I I really got into big trouble when I decided to switch over to a solar system to get off the grid electrically. Because I had contractors who did not have a clue what they were doing. Um, so it was about 3 years ago that I was, on the one hand, very lucky and blessed that I met Conan of Zen Solar. And I was desperate. I asked him to start off with a project of um, fixing the existing solar system and then expand it to such an extent that both the consulting rooms as well as the household needs can be run on a solar system. Um, that was an excellent decision because over the past 18 months, Zen Solar brought me into a position where I've had no problems at all, either in the um, in the household nor at the practice in any way with any electrical problem. Everything is running smoothly on solar, and right through this whole project, uh, Conan has been professional and friendly and punctual and precise in his planning every single step of the way. His team executed excellently, and I can only recommend the services of Zen Solar when it comes to the installation of getting off the electricity grid in South Africa and making the switch to a solar system. Thank you.